Hi YouTube, hi Amores. This is Annette Morris and I'm coming on to tell you about this video that's coming up. This is the Look for Less challenge that Yami from the Latina next door. And if you're not familiar with Yami, she have a wonderful channel with DIYs and home repairs and home decor. So you want to go over there and check her out. Okay, let's get started. Some time ago, I came across this wrapping paper that I picked up, I think, at Ross or Marshall's. And I held on to it for some time. I knew I wanted to use it in my decor somewhere, on a tray or something, make a tray with it or something. But when I came across this vase here that I found on Pinterest, I really fell in love with it. And when I looked at the price of $514, I said, now this would be a challenge. And I thought about my paper. And I knew then this would be a DIY that I really would try and see what I could do with it. Okay, so let's get started. So I remember this vase that I had from thrifting some time ago, and I thought this would be perfect. The shape is not exactly the same, but it do have something similar to it. So I decided, let's try this. Now the cost of this vase, if I can remember, was around about $5. And I'm not sure if they had a special sale during that day at the thrift store. This is a good time to like this video and don't forget to share. And if you're not a subscriber, subscribe. Okay, let's continue. I decided to cut the paper in strips instead of trying to cut it in squares. So I cut it in strips, and that was the process that I thought would probably be best for it. For me to go not around the vase, but the long length of the vase to try to get my design going. So I cut out several strips, and now I'm going to Mod Podge to the glass. Now at the bottom, because of the narrowness of the bottom of the glass, the vase, I decided to use these strips, small strips, to curve around the bottom. Here is my inspiration again. Very lovely vase. I fell in love with it, but the price, $514, and here's my reveal. So what do you think? The cost for mine was just no more than $10, and this one is $5.14. Not bad for getting the look that I wanted from my inspiration here. I couldn't stop there, so I decided to put a top to it. And this is what the results of that is. And here's the final reveal. Don't forget to go check out the playlist for this collaboration and see all the other wonderful creators on this DIY. And thank you, Yami, for creating this wonderful collaboration. Stay safe and stay blessed, and I'll see you next time. Thank you, amores.